Easy hairstyles for long hair. Long hair has always been associated with timeless beauty and versatility. Whether you have naturally long locks or hair extensions that give you the length you desire, there are countless easy and stylish hairstyles you can try. In this article, we'll explore a variety of effortless hairstyles for long hair that will help you look fabulous without spending hours in front of the mirror. The classic ponytail is a timeless favorite. It's simple, quick, and can be worn for any occasion. To add a twist to this look, create a high ponytail for a chic and elegant appearance. Alternatively, opt for a low ponytail for a more relaxed vibe. Take your ponytail game up a notch by wrapping a small section of hair around the hair tie to conceal it. This small addition adds a touch of sophistication to your everyday ponytail. Gorgeous waves are a go-to style for long-haired beauties. You can achieve this look by using a curling wand or even braiding your hair before bed for natural, heat-free waves. For a relaxed and beachy vibe, create loose waves by curling your hair and then running your fingers through it. Finish with a spritz of sea salt spray for that authentic beach look. Braids offer a wide range of possibilities for long hair. Try a simple 3-strand braid, a fishtail braid, or a Dutch braid for a playful and stylish appearance. The crown braid is a regal choice for special occasions. Create a braided headband by braiding the hair along your hairline, adding a touch of elegance to your overall look.